In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower audio quality in CapCut PC. If you want your audio to sound like an old telephone call, a distorted walkie-talkie, or even a muffled underwater recording, CapCut gives you a couple of very simple ways to do it without needing any advanced audio tools. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest options so you can quickly create that degraded, retro, or low-fidelity sound effect right inside your project. The first method uses CapCut's built-in preset sound filters, and this is probably the fastest option if you want instant results. Start by clicking your audio track on the timeline so it's selected. Once it's highlighted, go over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Audio section, click on Voice Effects. This is where CapCut stores several filter-style effects that can dramatically change how your voice or audio clip sounds. Now scroll through the voice filters and choose either telephone or radio. As soon as you click one of these, CapCut applies the effect automatically. What these filters do is reduce both the low and high frequencies, which creates that compressed, thin, tinny sound you usually hear in vintage phone calls or old radio transmissions. It's a great option when you want your audio to sound intentionally low quality, but still clear enough for the listener to understand. The second method is perfect if you want a more muffled, boxed-in, or underwater-style sound. Stay in the same voice effects menu and this time choose Deep or Lo-Fi. These effects push the audio in a softer, more closed-off direction. After applying one, drag the strength slider upward. Increasing the strength helps cut more of the high frequencies, which makes the audio feel like it's coming through a wall from another room or from deep underwater. If you're editing a dramatic scene, a flashback, or a distant voice effect, this is a really useful setting to try. To take the effect even further, you can add a layer of retro background noise. Click Audio from the top left menu, then search for Radio Static or Tape Hiss. Once you find the sound effect you want, drag it onto track 2 directly below your main audio clip. After that, reduce its volume to -15 decibels. Keeping it low is important because you want it to support the degraded atmosphere without overpowering your main audio. That's it. With these simple voice effects and a little background texture, you can make clean audio sound old, distant, muffled, or intentionally damaged in just a few clicks inside CapCut PC.